Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's video, we'll teach you how to enable tax-inclusive pricing in Invent ERP. Learn how, so your prices are calculated correctly, totals are displayed accurately, and your records stay organized. Let's see how. Click on All Apps. Then select Accounting. When you arrive, navigate to Configuration, then Taxes. This is the Taxes page. Select the tax you want to enable. The next step is to press Edit. Head over to Advanced Options. Below you can see Extra Options. Turn on Tax Included in Price option. When that is complete, make sure to save. Also, there is another way to enable tax-inclusive pricing directly into your point of sale. Let me quickly show you how. Click on All Apps. Then select it. Navigate to Configuration, then Point of Sale. Press on it. Then click on Edit. Scroll down to Pricing and Tax Details section. Then enable Tax Included Price. Then make sure to press on Save. And there you go. That is how you enable tax-inclusive pricing in Invent ERP. Thank you for watching.